What do you think?
He's eating it.
Okay, one more spoonful and then we'll wash it down with some formula. Okay, well, apparently it doesn't make a difference what form it's in.
I like how he gets his whole head into it.
One more scoop and then we'll have some more. We're really messy. We're really messy. And drink.